Great morning, children. As you know, we are doing chapter number 5, that is The Adventures of Little L. So, children, we have read the story. Today, we will do the exercise. Start the exercise part of the chapter, that is The Adventures of Little L. So, children, first exercise is comprehension part, that is A1. Choose the correct answer. What you have to do in this exercise, you have to read the sentence and options are given here. You have to choose the correct answer, like little L was not allowed to go to school for some years because of his large head, his adult brain, poor health. You know the answer, due to poor health. So you will write here, due to poor health. Where did Edison's father find him after he went missing one day? In a train compartment, in the barn, in the cellar laboratory. You know that, in the barn. This is the right answer, in the barn. So children, you can do easily. Now exercise 2 is sequence the events in Edison life. What you have to do, first you read the story, after that sequence the events in Edison life. Which events uh, has happened in which sequence. Okay, for Edison set up a factory of invention. Edison tries to hatch eggs by sitting on them. Edison mother withdraw him from school. He set up a laboratory in the cellar of his home. Edison is thrown out of the train. Edison learned telegraphy. What is the first event? You know that first event is Edison withdraw Addison mother withdraw him from school. This is the first event. You know that first number is this. And the second event is Edison tries to hatch by sitting on them. This is the second event. Third one is he sets up a laboratory in the cellar of his home. This is third one. And fourth one, Edison is thrown out of the train. This is fourth event. And fifth one, Edison learned telegraphy. This one, 5. And Edison set up a factory of invention. This is the sixth one. So these are the sequence of the events in Edison's life. Okay, you can do it. Yes, children, next exercise is B1 vocabulary. There are 6 families of words in the grid below. Each family has 5 members. Identify the families and list their members. One family has been identified for you. So children, here is a grid. Grid is given to you, and there are grids in grades. There are 6 families of words in the grid below, like family 1, family 2, family 3, family 4, family 5 and family 6. And family 1 is given to you: chemicals, experiment, science, laboratory and phosphorus. So children, you will find the words for the family 2, like radio, telephone, telegraph, electric bulb and phonograph. You will write here, you will write the same words from the same family, like blaze, smoke, flame, fire, quench. These are the similar words. So you will write, you will find the words and write down the family wise. Okay, next children, exercise making new words. What you have to do in this exercise, yes, look at the way the following words from the lesson have been spelled. Invention, invent plus ION. Hardship, hard plus ship. Operator, operate plus OR. Teacher, teach plus ER. We can make new words of adding a group of letters to a word. The group of letters adding at the end of the word to make a new word is called suffix. So children, it's a definition of suffix. What is a suffix? The group of letter added at the end of a word to make new word is called suffix, like ION. If we add ION with the word invent and make a word invention, ION is a suffix here. By adding a suffix, we get a new word whose meaning is different but related to the original words. Its meaning is different but related to the original one, like invention, invent plus ION. So this meaning is related to the first word, but a little difference. By adding the suffix ION to make to the word invent, we got the noun invention, which means something that is invented. Invention means something that is invented. Invent means discover. Invent means discover, and invention means something that is invented. So children, by adding the suffix or the verb invent, we got the noun inventor, which means by adding the suffix or, if we add or in the invent to it, we got the noun inventor, which means a person who invents. And when we add the ION to the word makes invention, and invention meaning something that is invented. When we add or to the invent, we got the noun inventor. An inventor meaning a person who invents. There is a difference between the inventor and inventions. Look at the list of the suffix and example words from using them. Add 2 example of your own for each suffix. Like ion, you have to make words to add ion. Creation, education, dictation, presentation, you can write. Ship, hardship, relationship, friendship, scholarship, ness, deafness, cleverness, hardness, thickness, or operator, inspector, advisor, creator, inventor. Like this you can do very easily. So children, you have to make the list. Suffix is given here and you have to write the two example of your own for each suffix. Okay, I hope you have understood the topic. So children, you can do very easily. Okay children, thank you.